2011 Camry, having problems starting. Think it's the starter. Let's see. Once I find the key. God dang. Where's the key? Oh, I found the key. Let's see what we get. Lights come on. Turn the key. This is what we getting. Let me see if I can hit the starter and get it to start. Obviously the starter is right here. And give it a few taps if I can. I tapped it a few times. Let's see. Oh, this damn door. Nope. Alright. Let's get to work. First thing I'm gonna do is take this air box out. Next thing I'm gonna do is probably take that battery out. Do I even gotta take the battery out? Probably not. Guess we gonna see. Man, I ain't gotta take no battery out. That thing is right there. I'm finna just reach down in here and change this. That is so easy. That's what we got right there. How easy that is. Of course, disconnect the battery. Alright. Probably gonna disconnect this nut first for the wire. Like a 12. Get my 12. Didn't really get it on there good, but still came off. Right, move that out the way. Now I think these main bolts that hold it in are 14s. Just connect the wire too, by the way. The wire. Move that out the way. Right. Got my 14. Loosen up this bolt. Yep, 14. Right. Then see if I can get this back one. Alright, got that on there. Alright. Poke it loose. Should be able to get it out by hand now. Just put the socket on there by itself. Turn it. Alright, should be by out. Alright, should be out. See if I can grab it. Well, not quite yet. There we go. Alright, do this one. See if I can get this one by hand. If not, I use the electric ratchet. Nope, I can do it by hand. This is by far one of the easiest starters I think I ever done. Don't move. See, I'm gonna get it up through here without moving these wires. Just like that. Easy. Original, of course. Toyota got the best starters. Got a new starter. Slide that guy in there the same way you took it out. Line it up. Twist it on by hand if you can. You can move the starter around a little bit too if it's like you can't do it like that. Alright. Put this in here. Squeeze my hand through here. Right. This power cord is in my way from twisting it good. There we go. Right. Go. Take your ratchet, tighten it up. Backside. Alright. I'll put these connectors in. After that, we done. Take your new starter nut. Put that on there. Easy. Put the cover on. Now all you gotta do is put the connector in. Easy. Alright. Put this battery back on. Put this back in there. I just love when cars are just simple. Just like, I know it's not that complicated, and I knew it wasn't as they make them nowadays. Look how easy that it was. It just took me no time. Alright, now time to start it up again. Alright, let's see what we got. Easy. Easy. Just like that. Well, see you in the next one.